Everything okay? Otherwise, we can postpone this.
No, it's okay. I'll stop if I can't continue.
Yeah,
Okay. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Somewhere, I'm sorry, but my intentions are not manifesting in you. Anyway, I will share one result which is I believe is a common problem with everyone. Everyone has dental problem and must have visited a dentist sometime or the other. I am ongoing the treatment right now. But believe me when I say, before I went to the dentist, I had pain. After that, I don't know what dental pain is. Even today, my root canal was, it was the permanent filling was done. And my doctor now, because I told her I haven't taken the painkillers, I've taken the antibiotics and I'm feeling good, she says that I'm not going to inject you. And for the last two fillings, I swear on everything I hold sacred, she did not inject me and she removed it without anything. And she kept on asking me, there is pain? No, there is pain. And I really did not have pain because from entering her room and telling her hello to her, HPP is my constant friend. I refuse to talk to her about anything else. You do what you want to. And to date, this is my third sitting with her, and I'm supposed to meet her next week. This lady does not believe in injecting me. The only thing she tells me after that is don't drink water for 1 hour. That's it.
OMG,
So I
congrats.
don't think after this I need to share any results for impressing anybody on this earth. Please believe me and try doing it for your own good.
I guess you're coming from there only,
Yeah, I'm coming from there,
and
and
you're
my friend
speaking
is
so
down with
fluently.
me. And my friend is down with me. And so she needed to buy something. So I'm in the marketplace.
Okay.
Fortunately, my car just came in. I sat in. I said, my husband and my friend are on the lookout somewhere. I said, before they come in, I'll finish off my session. And you believe me, I again did open for that. And now I can see them coming. So I'll have to say bye to you and good night to you.
Thank you. Thank you. Lots
I
of love.
keep